Welcome! If you've ever tried using WhatsApp Web on your computer but ran into trouble sharing your location, this new update has made things much easier. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to allow WhatsApp Web to access your location on your PC step by step. First, open WhatsApp Web in your browser. You can do this the usual way by heading to the official WhatsApp web page and scanning the QR code using your phone. Once you're logged in, look at the top of your browser window. Right next to the web address bar, you'll see an icon or a small lock symbol. Click on it to view site information. A small menu will appear with several options related to the website's connection and permissions. From there, choose Settings. This opens up a new section where you can control what WhatsApp Web can access on your device, such as your camera, microphone, and location. Scroll through until you find the Permissions tab and then click on More Settings Permissions. This is where the main change comes in. With this new update, everything is now neatly organized so you can quickly find the feature you want to manage. Under Permissions, look for Location. Next to it, you'll see a drop-down box or button. Click it and select Allow. This tells your browser that WhatsApp Web is trusted and can use your PC's location when needed. Once you've done that, refresh the WhatsApp web page. You'll notice that location-based features like sharing where you are during chats now work smoothly without any extra prompts. And that's it. You've just learned how to enable location access for WhatsApp Web on your computer. This small tweak can make a big difference if you often coordinate meetups, deliveries, or directions through WhatsApp. So, go ahead and try it out, and if you found this guide helpful, remember to share it with someone who might be struggling with the same issue.